Welcome to Simple Dev Code. So today we're going to see the dark mode, light mode support in using Next.js and Tailwind JS. So let's see. This is the example code for a Tailwind JS. I copy from the website, and already I pasted in that VS Code. So I started working on the dark mode. So already I added the options to change the theme using the button component. So I added three options, one called dark, light and auto. So I added the JS function. So let's implement that function to change the theme using Tailwind CSS. So basically we add the class name dark called dark in that body element. So if the user choose dark theme, we will add that class name. In case they choose auto or light theme, we remove the class name from the body of the element. So here it's not detecting because we need to add that Next.js config. So here in the next Tailwind config we have to add dark mode class. So this only will represent the changes. So you can see that button component changing based on the theme. So let's now change by the page name. So first we change the background theme, main theme, dark colon PG black. So if it choose the dark mode, it will enter black color. So its text also is in black. We will change based on the theme. So I'm going to that link tag. So here we added the text gray 90. So in the dark mode I added the light gray. So it's reflected. So then it will little bit so much prominent. So I'm going to little bit dim. So here I need on hover I need a white on the dark mode. So I add a class name for it. So here you can see on hover we in the dark mode we able to change the color and we can able to see it. So in the main heading it's still in light theme support. We'll change it dark theme support. So adding that color same a little bit white on the dark mode. So add dark colon text white. Now you can see it's changed to white. So in that announcement outside we have some ring component, but you're not able to see it in dark mode. So let's purchase the theme it's chosen by a user. So I'm using the local storage to set the theme color. So if in case user choose dark theme, I just set the local storage theme of dark, otherwise set light. So here So now let's see the example. So in that theme option, we are going to provide three set of modes: dark, light, and auto. So in auto theme, if user want to system preference theme, so we will remove that local storage value. Then based on that system settings, we apply that theme. Let's see, white, black, then auto. So auto still showing at showing as a light theme. So get the default theme name when page is reload, because we persist the data in the local storage, but it should consume on load. So let's do the implementation. Here adding additional condition for the theme. So in case the user set auto theme, we not need to remove the class. So we add a if condition there. So here we changing the dark mode, it is persisted. The light mode, the dark the auto mode is still light theme. So here we going to add the logic. So this is the logic we going to get the system preference theme from that window.match media. We set the auto theme, still is showing light. Go to the settings, it's by default setting right. So I'm change dark, it will change dark. I'm going to change light, it will changing light. So based on the user preference it will change. I'm setting auto, so it raise a night, so it will change the dark mode. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel if you like the video. Thanks.